In this video, I'll show you how to delete your MetaMask account from a device and what that actually means. First, an important warning. When you delete MetaMask, you're only removing it from your phone or browser. Your wallet and funds still live on the blockchain. If you ever want access again, you must have your 12-word secret recovery phrase or the private keys. So write them down and store them safely before you remove anything. If you only want to remove an extra account you imported, let's open MetaMask, unlock your wallet, and go to your accounts list. Tap or click the three dots next to the imported account and choose Remove/Forget Account. This only deletes that account from the app, not from the blockchain. To delete your entire wallet from the device, open Settings in MetaMask, go to Security and Privacy, and look for an option like Clear Wallet, Reset Wallet, or Log Out and Clear Data. Confirm the action. Then you can safely uninstall the MetaMask app or browser extension. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.